Morning guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk about car care kits. The best part about the car care kits is obviously you save some money, generally somewhere around the range of 20%. Depending on the kit, you might save a little more, might save a little less, but the other great thing about it is you've got all the products right in a kit that you need. You don't have to spend some time shopping for people that aren't quite sure exactly what they want and need a little assistance on that. So I'm going to go over just a couple kits that we have, a couple options, and then I'll tell you about a few other kits, and then you can feel free to check out the website and ask us any questions if you have them. So the kit that I am showing right here, this is called the Ceramic Coating Mega Bundle, and then we have another called the entry-level ceramic coating kit, which is a smaller version of this. Only the absolute necessary products from this kit, whereas the Mega Bundle is everything you need to do the ceramic coating and to maintain it as well. So you've got the CarPro Reset for washing it before as your first step. You've got it for maintaining it after you're done. You've got the CarPro Echo for a waterless wash and a quick detailer. You've got the CarPro Tarex in the Mega Bundle. For people that don't need Tarex, obviously you don't need the Mega Bundle. You can get the entry-level kit, drop a few of these products, save some more money. But you've got the Tarex there. You've got the Elixir, which is a quick detailer with sealant in one. You've got the CarPro IronX. Everybody knows what that is. The CarPro Reload, so you can put that on after the UK. You've got the CarPro Eraser for panel wiping before you coat. And then you've got a heavier cut compound and a lighter cut final polish. And then last but not least, it comes with a bar of clay and the Ultima cleaning lubricant gel, because that's my favorite lubricant to clay with. So the mirror hanger also is included. That's something you can only get from Sky's the Limit Car Care. The plastic mirror hanger, that's to put up in your rear view mirror when you drop it off at the dealership, so that they hopefully won't wash it, but at least they'll know what the repercussions are if they do wash your car and put swirls in your perfectly polished and corrected finish. Of course, it comes with all the towels you need as well. So basically everything you need to coat your vehicle. If you want to save a little more money, then you can grab the entry-level kit, and that knocks out a handful of these products that you don't necessarily need in every circumstance. The other kit that I have sitting in front of me, this is the basic car care, or the basic wash and dry kit, and that comes with the Microfiber Madness Incredisponge. So you can have a great tool that you can wash the entire vehicle with safely, and also pulls out the dirt, lasts a super long time. If anybody doesn't already know about the Microfiber Madness line of products, this has become like a world famous thing. The Incredisponge, Incredipad, Incredimit. These products are top of the line with regards to how fast they remove dirt from the vehicle safely and how long they last, which is years. So that's your wash mitt. There's your wash solution, your CarPro Reset. And after you're done with that, obviously you need to dry the vehicle. And that kit, the basic kit, comes with the CarPro Dehydrate Towel, 28 by 40. And that's that. For a little bit of an evolution on that kit, we also have the Luxury Wash and Dry Kit. It keeps the reset in the kit, but instead of those two products, it comes with the Microfiber Madness Dry Me Crazy towel and also the CarPro Merino mitt. We are going to be updating that Luxury Wash and Dry Kit to also include an option for the Microfiber Madness Deli Mitt, which is the latest Microfiber Madness mitt option. So those are the two kits I'm showing you today. We've got a bunch of kits on there. We just didn't want to lay them all out here and go over the whole thing. But you can see the details of every one of those on our site. We've got a motorcycle care kit, which has some great motorcycle cleaner from Tuga that leaves behind a little protection and all the little applicators and protective products that you need for that. We've got a plastic restoration kit, which has solution finish, Ultima Trim and Tire Guard, and everything you need to restore the plastic and darken it, and then put a sealant on that will hold that in. We've got a C-Quartz maintenance kit, which is just the products that you need to maintain the product rather than the entire thing if you've already ceramic coated it. We've got a pads kit where you can get a selection of different pads. There's a bunch of different options on there. My favorite kit is probably, other than obviously the wash and dry, which is an essential for people in the ceramic coating, is probably the wheel kit. The luxury wheel kit, or I think currently it's just labeled wheel kit on our site, but the wheel kit is really, It's a bit of a pricier option, but this kit is for guys that really want everything that they need for their wheels and really want to take care of it well. It's got all of my favorite tools for your wheels, and that includes the Microfiber Madness Incredibrush Flat, which is a fantastic wheel brush. It comes also with a little easy detail brush that you can bend the end of and get around the spokes to get the back of them. It comes with a Microfiber Madness Incrediflare, so you can wrap your hand around the spokes, and best possible mitt you could use for washing wheels. It comes with a little boar's hair brush for getting in the lug areas and any tight little curved areas in the spokes. It comes with CarPro Pearl, so you can dress the tires when you're done. It's got the 4-star tire cleaner or an option for the retire tire cleaner from CarPro, so you can obviously clean the tires. You've got Hydro Light in there, so you can quickly just spray the sealant on and rinse it off to seal the wheels. So just all really cool tools for wheels. That's probably my favorite kit out of all of them. That's pretty much it. That's everything we wanted to go over for today. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure to leave any comments you have, any questions, things I didn't cover, just leave them below, and we'll get back to you right away on that. Links to the kits we're showing here today, and to the entire kit section are below. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. We really appreciate you guys, appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.